Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by aligning accounts and permissions. Sign into the same Google account in the Google Photos app on your Samsung phone, then enable camera upload so your images back up. Next, grant storage and photos permissions to Google Photos. Make sure Samsung Gallery has permission to access device folders. Once done, open Gallery and look for a sync or cloud option. This links the apps. Doing this avoids duplicate accounts and missing permissions that block syncing. Now configure how and what syncs. In Google Photos, go to Settings, Backup and Sync, and select Wi-Fi only or allow cellular. Pick original or storage saver quality so you control data and space. Then in Samsung Gallery, enable sync with Google Photos or choose which device folders to display. This prevents clutter. Also check battery optimization and background data restrictions. Disable them for Google Photos so uploads aren't paused. This step makes syncing reliable and tuned to your storage and data. Finish by triggering a manual sync and verifying files appear in Gallery. Open Google Photos and pull down to refresh, then open Gallery to confirm. If images are missing, make sure those folders are set to show and check app cache and storage usage. Clearing cache can unstick uploads. Also verify account sign-in and background permissions. If problems persist, restart your phone, reauthorize the Google account, or reinstall the apps. These steps resolve most sync conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.